How to log in into Credit One Bank credit card online account. To log in into Credit One Bank online account, you can visit their website, which is right here, www.creditonebank.com. So you can head over to the website or even download the mobile application, and you can basically go ahead and look out for the sign in option at the top right once you head over to their website. After you click on the sign in option right here, you will be taken to the sign in page where you can basically use your credentials in order to log in. So here in this box, enter up your username first, and right below it, you may enter up your password. Once that is done, you can tap on sign in, and that way you can basically log in into Credit One Bank credit card online account very easily. If you're not registered yet, you can look out for this option called Sign Up Online Account Access and register, follow the process, and then head back to this interface right here and use your credentials in order to log in into your account. And that is it. So therefore, if you'd also like to log in into Credit One Bank, you may follow up this process. So I hope this information was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we'll be seeing you in another video.